Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and welcome you all to Zero to Hero Rainbow series of dot mandala. Let's get started with G. That's green. I'm going to use all pearl colors from Camel. This is spring green from Camel. Now I'll keep some dots with jade green. I'll keep some dark green dots, and this is pearl color too. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. I'll keep some dots with spring green now. I'll keep two side swipes in dark green now. I'll keep some dots in jade green and then make it to a swipe. Now I'll keep some dark green dots. I'll keep some jade green dots. I'll keep some dots in spring green now. I'll work the dots in spring green now. Now I'll work the dots with jade green. I'll keep some plumpy dots in spring green and then make them to a swipe. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.